world. Today, we are going on a super fun trip around the world to learn countries from A to Z.
A.
A is for Australia.
B.
B is for Brazil.
C.
C is for Canada.
D.
D is for Denmark.
E.
E is for Egypt.
F.
F is for France.
G.
G is for Germany.
H.
H is for Hungary.
I.
I is for India.
J.
J is for Japan.
K.
K is for Kenya.
L.
L is for Laos.
M.
M is for Mexico.
N.
N is for Norway.
O.
O is for Oman.
P.
P is for Peru.
Q.
Q is for Qatar.
R.
R is for Russia.
S.
S is for Spain.
T.
T is for Thailand.
U.
U is for Uganda.
V.
V is for Vietnam.
W.
W is for Wales.
X.
X is tricky, there's no country starting with X.
Y.
Y is for Yemen.
Z.
Z is for Zambia.
A.
A is for Argentina.
B.
B is for Belgium.
C.
C is for China.
D.
D is for Dominica.
E.
E is for Ecuador.
F.
F is for Finland.
G.
G is for Greece.
H.
H is for Honduras.
I.
I is for Italy.
J.
J is for Jordan.
K.
K is for Kuwait.
L.
L is for Lebanon.
M.
M is for Malaysia.
N.
N is for Nepal.
O.
O is for Oman.
P.
P is for Poland.
Q.
Q is for Qatar.
R.
R is for Romania.
S.
S is for Sweden.
T.
T is for Turkey.
U.
U is for United Kingdom.
V.
V is for Venezuela.
W.
W is for Wales.
X.
X is tricky, there's no country starting with X.
Y.
Y is for Yemen.
Z.
Z is for Zimbabwe. Wow! We just traveled around the world from A to Z. A is for Argentina, Z is for Zimbabwe, and so many amazing places in between. Which country was your favorite? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can join me on more fun learning trips. See you next time, explorers. Bye-bye.